Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. I'd like you to take a look at this simple content logging strategy you can use to go on to getting a lot of cool traffic right now to your CPA offers and start making money with CPA marketing. So walk with me as we dive right into the strategy of today's video right now. And guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I make videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right there, and that can help you boost your income. You could also go on to hitting the like button to this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help you go on to boosting your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically guys, it is important that in creating a content logger with platforms like CPA Grip and other CPA marketing platforms, you need to go on to lock in something quite valuable to your audience. And to create a content logger, you just need to come onto the platform right here, create an account on the platform, go on to log in into your account. You will be brought to a page where you just simply need to come onto this page right now. To get to this page, you want to come right into the monetization tools, click on that, and you can actually select the URL file locker from the drop down list that will be shown to you. You can come right here, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you're going to be brought to this page right here where you can just simply go on to editing your URL file locker by going onto the template section. You can select the captcha template or the human verification, come back here to this particular section. Maybe I can actually go on to naming this something quite cool, maybe Instagram followers. So if I name this something like this, I can actually lock a very cool and valuable content in this section right here. And what I'm going to be doing right here is a quite unique strategy right now. I'm going to be locking this cool platform right here called the addmefast.com. So I'm just going to come onto the platform, which is addmefast.com. As you can see right now, I'm just going to copy this domain and go on to locking in this particular locked URL section. Once I do lock that guys right there, I'm actually then going to go onto this particular section and click on save. Now once I do click on save right here, maybe I can just simply come right here, and if I do click on save right now, my URL file locker had actually been generated. I can click on get link and you can see more details to the link right now, which I can copy and start promoting. Now the reason why I'm actually locking this particular platform is because this platform can become valuable to people once I start promoting the platform, in the sense that this is a platform that can help you go on to boosting your social media presence. Now with this platform right here, you can actually go on to completing some simple micro tags right here, and you can see some tags right here which you can complete on Facebook, Discord, Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and a lot more other platforms right here. Now supposing I actually go on to taking out Facebook followers right now, if I do click on that right there, you'll be able to go on to seeing tags available in that section. But I just simply need to complete this right here. If I do verify that this is I'm not a robot right here, as you can see. Once I do click on that particular Facebook followers once more right now, it's going to bring me to this page, and I'll be able to see if there are tags available. Now there are some tags available right now, and you can see right now I just need to go on to following this particular account, and you can see right here it says wait 2 to 3 seconds after follow, like and subscribe, then pop-up window right now. And you can see how we get 4 points for following this right now, this account. You can actually go on to skipping this and a new one will actually come, but it says no item in this network for now. Okay, there's no tags for there for now. You can actually go on to checking out Facebook post if there are actually tags available there right now. You can see that this is a tags available right now where you get 4 points for liking this Facebook post. So you can actually see that you can go on to focusing on Twitter, Instagram, and others right there. You can see for the Instagram followers right now, a lot of people are actually interested in getting Instagram followers. As you can see, if you follow this particular Instagram account, you're going to get this particular point. If I do skip on this right now, as you can see, this is a new account right here that we get 6 points right now. So a lot of people are actually putting their Instagram platform or their social media platforms right here for you to go on to engaging on them, and you'll be accumulating points. Now you can also go on to inserting your own social media platform right now on this section, and in doing that, you'll also be giving out people points right there, which is why you may need to go on to completing people's offer first to accumulate your own points before then giving that to individuals right now to complete simple tasks for you. Or you could just simply go on to purchasing some tokens right there or some points yourself and actually go on to paying people with such points. So that's how cool this platform actually works, and you can actually utilize this platform to boost your social media presence. Now, for people that are actually in need of boosting their social media presence, such as getting Instagram followers and Instagram stores right there, you can actually utilize this platform to actually go on to helping them to boost their social media presence, which is why I actually logged that in my URL file locker right here on CPA Grip. Now, what you actually need to do is to copy the link to this locker right now, and once you do copy the link, you want to create a simple landing page, and that landing page should look like this right here. As you can see, this is a landing page that says complete 10,000 Instagram followers in 24 hours, and this is having a cool image, a cool text below, and you can see a button right here. So just simply putting stuff that look quite cool and amazing such as this, and you can then go on to promoting this particular landing page. Now, this landing page was created with the help of this platform called Google Sites. You can actually create other landing pages with also other platforms like Basic.io, the Get Response, and any other builder platform right there. There are a lot of them right now. If you want to learn how to create such kinds of landing pages, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply come right here and type in landing page. If you do that right now and click on enter, it's going to take you to a section where you can see some cool videos I created for you that shows you how to create simple landing pages on such kinds of platforms right now. And if you do watch the videos right there, they can actually help you go on to creating cool and high converting landing pages, as landing pages actually help you to boost your social media or your income with CPA marketing. Now, what this actually does that right now is that once I do promote the landing page link and people are actually interested, it's going to lead them right to this my particular landing page, of which if they intend on getting the Instagram followers, they just need to click here, which is going to take them to my URL file locker first, and they actually need to complete a simple offer. If they complete that simple offer, first of all, I'm going to make some cool affiliate commission, and it's going to take them right there to this platform called admefast.com for them to register and for them to go on to boosting their social media presence. That's how cool this actually is. So you want to just simply go on to promoting that right now. Maybe I want to promote the landing page. You just need to copy the link to the landing page right now and go on to promoting that on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms right there to get a lot of cool and amazing traffic to that particular offer. So if I do come right here, maybe I'm just going to find or type in something like Instagram followers. So once you do type in something like this that says Instagram followers, you can see this is Instagram and Twitter follow group. This one has 10 plus posts per day. That is a very cool active group. This is a get Instagram followers group. This is an Instagram followers growth and engagements group right now. The more you keep on scrolling through, the more you keep on seeing a lot of cool groups that are interested in this. All you need to do right now is to select a particular group right there, and you can actually then go on to inserting a very cool image right now in this particular section or a very cool post. So what you want to do right there is you just simply write out a post such as this. So take a look at this right here. It says, are you interested in boosting your Instagram followers for free? If yes, comment on this post ASAP and I will send you the link to achieve that. And you want to just simply add in that particular image on your landing page and then go on to posting this on this platform. So you can actually do this right here on as many groups as you can and utilize this to get a lot of cool traffic right there. Start your URL file locker and start making some cool cash right there. This is an amazing strategy that you want to just simply do on both Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media platform, which you can just simply grab hold of to get lots of cool traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, do hit the like button to this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.